exception handling, that type.
Mhm.
So that's all about
So
myself.
your tech stack is into Java, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Java, Spring Boot,
Java Spring Boot.
microservices, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Have
And
you worked?
MySQL also.
Okay.
Database I
Great.
have used MySQL.
Okay. So have you worked on any cloud technologies?
No, sir. My another team will work on the type part, but I have not worked. AWS my company is using right now time.
Okay. Okay. So you are doing hands-on coding at the moment, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So can you share your screen and open Notepad for me?
Okay, just a minute. Is it visible? Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So Notepad, any idea also?
No.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, am I audible? Notepad.
Yeah. Notepad. Okay, okay. Okay.
So pasted a question on the chat. Can you paste it on Notepad?
Just a minute. Okay. Okay.
Let me know if you have any doubts.
Write a function that takes in a string of global not written in the written index string first. Okay. Non-repeating character like A, B, C, D, C, A, F. What is one? Okay, so can I write code or firstly I will explain.
So first let's discuss your approach. What are you thinking?
Yeah, yeah. So, sir, there I am using the for loop because one by
Uh,
one we will increase like I equal to 0. After that, I less than s dot length because like there is length is 3, 4, 5, 6,
mm-hmm.
and after that I will increase one by one like I plus plus. And after that inside body I will write there I will take as a char like char c is equal to c dot char at, and after that I will storing, and one by one I will check one by one. After that I will increase, and I after that I will check like index of c is equal to s dot last index, but means I am checking one by one. And after that I will return.
Okay. So how are you finding whether it is repeating or not?
Sir, because one by one we are checking now. One by one, like A. After that, in the last index, I am checking, and one by one, I will increasing
Mhm.
to like after that B, B2, then C, after that D, that type.
Okay. So what would be the time complexity of this approach?
Like sir, I am using the for loop, so below of n.
How many for loops are you using?
Sir, I am using the for loop. After that, I will use inside the if condition. So I am
Mm-hmm.
using the only one loop, one for loop I am using.
Okay. So with one for loop and if statement, how are you how do you track? I mean, firstly, explain me the requirement of this. And what do you understand is the requirement of this problem?
So they're like means we want to give the character who's not repeating, right?
Uh-huh. The character or the index.
Yeah, character of index, I know.
Uh,
If you
so
give me chance, so I can write a code after that
yeah,
one by
sure, sure.
one.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Please go ahead. Please write the method. The name of the method would be get index, right?
Okay, okay,
And take the input as a string, as a parameter, put parameter.
okay, okay.
Don't have to write the main method. Let it be.
Inside I will write input we will take, and after that
No, that is fine. That is fine. Leave it. Leave it.
leave it. Okay.
Input, so you input is coming in S only, right? So now let's see. I mean, you have started from 0 to S dot length. Char C is S dot caret of I. So that's the
Mhm.
first character. If index of C
Like on that time,
is
like
equal-
char c is equal to c dot char at I. So there my means I am one by one I am storing like zero, after that one, after well, less than s dot length we can say, and checks after that.
that is fine. But what are you doing here? Let me wait. One second.
Mhm.
So what does this mean? S dot index of C is equal to S dot last index of C.
It's mean like one by one I am checking like means we can say if checked whether the index of the first like there is zero, so we can say like index occurrence of the character c in the string like s, and it, is equal
Index
to
after
the
that.
index of the last character. So after that it they are the same. It means the character means appears only once in the string we can say. One by one we are checking that types. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes. So means I mean you are doing S dot last index of C,
Hmm.
correct?
Okay.
But the loop is one only. I mean, can you give me a dry run? Dry run this. Tell me how it will work for the input I gave. A B C D C F.
ABCD, okay. Like after it will work as a like I equal to zero. So like A.
Hmm.
So
Huh?
there is storing the zero. So zero index, there is A. So it will storing the
What
C.
C? Huh? C will have A. Okay.
Okay. After that, it will checking like C. There is A S dot index of A. There is A,
Huh?
like we can say like the character at index 0 is A. So check in the index of the first of A. After that, it is occurrence of A is equal of the index of the last, like last index of A,
Huh?
like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 length na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the case, the first occurrent index is 0, and the last index is 5. Means they are not the same.
Okay. Okay.
Means that we can say like I am starting in the 0 index, and second, inside the second side we are checking the in the last index, we can say.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, the one by one we are moving, and it is same. After it will return, then it will not same, so index is not same, so that time I am using.
So
And yeah.
okay. So when the for loop comes to second A, right?
Mm-hmm.
A B C D C A B C D C A F, right?
Yeah.
So when the for loop comes to the second A, what will that if statement return?
Like sir, there is a starting like A, and last index is F. Is it not equal? So it will return the -1. But again, it will check in the second one, like second index in last inside second. Then it will equal to equal, both are equal. So after that, it will return the I. That types I am
No, no,
check.
I'm saying
Hmm.
second A is there, na? Second last character is A,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Okay.
So what happens when the pointer comes to that A? So S dot index of C is equal to S dot
That's not
last
last
index of
index.
C.
Hmm.
So what will this give you? Will it give it true or false?
So true, it will give no.
If it gives true, it will return I.
Means we are yeah sir, it will give true.
Should it give true?
So mean no means it is true. So we will not return -1. We will return like what can I say? Return we will I. Then it is equal, and it will give the true.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
So means we can say like check whether the index of the first occurrence of the character C in the string S, and
Hmm.
string C in the string S is equal of the index of the last occurrent. So we can say of the characters, then they are the same. It means the character only once in the string.
That is what I'm saying. When you have reached the last
Last A,
A,
right?
right?
Okay.
So that will give you a true, right? S dot index of C is equal to S dot last index of C. This is true then, correct?
Yeah. Right, sir. Correct.
Yeah. So it will return the index of that A, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is not
But
the output, na?
no, sir. But it is not same, na. C C. Uh, But sir, we are searching the first non-repeating character, no? There is like first
Correct.
non-repeating character we are searching.
Correct. Correct. So what will be the output if the
Like
input
A will match
string is
the
a?
A, so B don't do
Uh,
any. Uh, Sorry, sir. What are you asking?
so suppose the input is a four times a. What will be the output?
A like that. That time output
Mm-hmm.
is first in non-repeating. That time, sir. Maybe. Sir, maybe it will return the -1 because
Yeah.
there is no any repeating character.
No, no. I'm asking. Yeah, it will return mine. It should return -1. I'm talking about your code. If you drop this input in your code, what will it return?
Sir, right output is -1, but maybe I think my code is work or not. I don't know, but right correct answer is -1. But in my code, it will equal to 0. Yes, sir. It will give the -1.
How? Show me.
Uh, so because sir, there are no non-repeating character na in the string. The code will iterate through the
Where
string.
there,
You can say
right there. I mean, firstly, Krishna, what does non-repeating character mean in English?
non-repeating character. Sir means
Hmm?
not repeating. Yeah, it is coming only
Not
one time. It
repeating.
will coming. Yeah, it will not.
Coming only one time.
Yeah.
Right.
Hmm.
Correct. Correct. So here A is coming four times.
But sir, we are searching the first non-repeating character. No? Yeah, but hmm.
No, no, no. What I'm asking is, so see, if your input is four times A,
Hmm.
correct?
Yeah,
So when it is pointing to the first A,
and
it
last.
is first A equal,
Hmm.
right? So if it is pointing to the first A, it is not equal to last A. I understand.
Yeah.
Okay, that is fine.
Hmm.
But what happens if when suppose it is in the last A,
Hmm.
not the first A, it will iterate, right?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, no issues. Can you paste this piece of code on the chat?
Sorry, sir.
Can you paste this piece of code on the chat?
Okay. Sir, but there I am not. Main method is not. It is. Uh,
That is fine. That is
all.
fine. Just paste this code on the chat.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Just a moment. Just hold on. Okay. What's the functional interface?
Sir, functional interface nothing like yeah, it is a Java 8 version. It is present in the Java 8 version, and functional interface means there is only single abstract method. Means it is a functional interface, but we can write number of times default methods and normal methods. We can also write inside the functional interface. Like as a runnable.
Mm-hmm.
Runnable is a also functional interface.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what happens if you have multiple? But why is functional interface? Why is it designed that way that it has only
Because
one
like we want to
abstract
use
method? What?
yeah,
How?
like we want to use lambda expression and we want to implement that time functional interface is used,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
like support of for the lambda expression we can say, and flexibility also.
Okay. What is the Streams API?
Stream jpa API.
Streams
API.
API.
Steam
Mm.
API is nothing, sir. Like it is a working on the collection. Like we want to map data and filter data, collect data. So there is some method with the help us we can do the performance on it and search.
Okay. What is an intermediate and terminal operation in the stream?
Intermediate and terminate in the Stream API, right?
Ah,
Sir, that time
okay. So suppose you have a list. Okay.
I have a
Suppose,
list. Okay,
can you open your notepad once again?
okay.
So suppose you have a list of five numbers. Okay.
List of five
Using
numbers.
using Streams API, can you double each number?
Okay, traveling each number, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I want to write code or can I solve, sir?
Yeah, just that. Yeah, yeah. Using Streams API.
Yeah. Can I remove it or continue in the?
No, right. Continue, continue.
Okay. Okay.
No, don't have to write import statements. It's fine.
Only logic, right?
Just the streams line.
Okay. Okay. Only
Yes.
stream like. Am I audible?
Yeah.
There I am using. There are five element in my list as a array.
Mm.
After that, I am using the Steam API. There I am using for loop. After that, one by one, I am in south. I am doing. Means we are printing, and there I am using
This
the
will print
lambda
the number only.
number.
What was the requirement? What will be the output?
We want to only print the number right now, like one, two, three, four, five.
No, no, I
traveling,
told you the double of the number.
traveling, oh yeah, travel of the number. So, sir, it will traveling and one by one it will print like
You need
PD
to
and store also.
print the double of each number, Krishna.
Sir, can you repeat? Print the double of each number, right?
Correct.
Are you saying we want to doubling after that I want to print, right?
Yeah. So what will be the output? So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, 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 sir. It is not a logic for it. Sorry, I am thinking like you want to like this number I want to print. Sorry, I'm changing my logic. Uh,
And here you are printing it, right?
yeah, yeah. There I
I
am
want
printing.
I want you to put it in a list, not print it. I want a list.
So like you are taking. I want to ask. Take a output like 1, 4, 9 that type.
What does double mean, Krishna? Double is into 2, right, Krishna?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
So there, that time I believe we can use the collect method after and fillet map we can use. Okay, I'm just trying again.
yeah.
Just a minute.
Do it, do it, do it.
Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, so you have written numbers dot stream dot flat map. Inside flat map, you have. Can you explain me what you did?
Sorry. What is like
Can you
in
ex
this code I am using the flat map.
Why are
Means
you using
to
flat map? What is the flat map?
operation to transform each number into a string of. Sorry, are you saying something?
Why did you use a flat map? What is a flat map?
So because means we can say each number into a string of two identity number like number and number there I'm using because you want you saying like we want to two times that why I'm using number and number then we collect the value into the new lines new list.
See, double of a number, na Krishna. It
Yeah.
is like multiplied by 2. Okay. So your input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your output would be 1, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 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 okay. Just a minute that time. Flat numbers, array distinct.
So, okay, fine, leave it. What's the difference between map and flat map?
Sir, map, like we are using the map, so it is a not a collection part. It is a, also a interface. But like we want to, there are some classes like hash map. With the help us, we can implement the map. And like we are using the hash map, so there is it will storing the key value pair, and it will not following the insertion order. And key value like we are using the key values, so we can write the only one null value. After that, we can't write the null
So
value.
in streams, got it. In streams, right? We
Mhm.
use map, correct? Dot map, dot filter. Have you ever used these two things?
Yeah, yeah,
And
sir.
filter. So
Filters
there is
are
also
filter map.
map. There is also flat map.
Sir, then
So
we
it
want to paint the key values, so we can use the map. And flat map, like operation in using when each element in the we can say original stream needs to the transform into the zero and zero and more element, we can say.
okay. Okay, Krishna, I'm done from my side. You have any questions?
Uh, Sir, I will copy paste also this also or not?
No, no, leave it.
Okay. Sir, I want to ask like which part I should improve myself. That types I can improve for coding part and another part.
You can improve everywhere. I mean, that is fine. Improvement is, I mean, there is no limit to improvement rates.
Okay. Okay, sir.